coaching center, and apparently the students had gathered over there. They were all NEET aspirants and they were crying. And seeing that video, I was really shocked and I was really heartbroken that students who have prepared really hard joining an offline coaching and they are crying over there, and some parents, some teachers, they are trying to console the students. The students are saying, my entire year got wasted. This is very, very heartbreaking. Now, I'll tell you a few things out here. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you as of now. Just quickly let me know in the chat box. Yep, looks like I am. Okay. If you're a NEET 2025 student who has given the paper right now, please let me know in the chat box. How was your paper? And what was your expectation of the paper before and what is it now? I just want to know in the chat box right away right now. Quickly let me know. Now, see guys, this is not even about a NEET examination. Let me be very, very clear, because I'll tell you what has happened this year. Not many people know. Even 26, 25 students, even 27 students don't know this. Physics this year, in every single examination, not just conducted by NTA, but even the CETs or even private entrance has been difficult. And I don't know, is it just a coincidence or maybe is it a planned attempt? But physics has been really killer this year. In the January month itself, when the first attempt of JEE mains happened, NTA is the same body which sets the paper both for JEE and NEET. The physics paper was definitely a notch higher than the last 4 years of COVID. But now the paper level has gone back to pre-COVID era. And then only we got alert. See, the first shift, first day, the papers are difficult. That means other shifts, be alert, the paper is going to be difficult, and it was not one-off case. Every shift had a difficult physics paper. And the same thing continued in April also. And not just that, even the CBSE 2025 physics paper, how many of you have given the CBSE? How many of you have given the CBSE physics paper this year? If you're a fresher student, quickly let me know guys in the chat box right away right now. Yep, it was hard. It was hard. Not just that, even the Maharashtra State Board physics paper was hard. Even the CET paper was hard. Even the NEET paper is hard. So please understand the trend over here. Understand the mentality, the synchronized coordination or a coincidence, whatever it is. NEET 2026, NEET 2027 students, whether a fresher or a dropper, let me be categorically very, very clear about this. Physics is going to be the game changer. If you are going to take physics lightly, then your marks will also be very light. Simple. If you are going to memorize the questions, if you think that I will just read NCERT, I will underline, I will make beautiful notes, I will keep stickers on my wall and I will clear NEET, 100% not happening. If you think I'll just solve the same question and I will pass NEET, no. If you think there are only 5 topics or 10 topics, no. I never even made one video this year that which topics are important, which topics are not, because I knew in January itself that the priority order will be changed, and that's exactly what happened. If students were expecting more questions from a particular topic, that didn't happen this time. Imagine the situation of those students who watch such videos from so many YouTubers out there saying this is the topic which you should skip, but that didn't happen. Questions were there. I will show you the paper guys, just look at it. Just look at the length of the questions. Look at this question guys. Usually current electricity question, you know, last year such laddu questions they have asked. Current, voltage, resistance, 10th standard kid will be able to solve it. Look at the circuit diagram. Look at the level of questions. Polarization, they have asked 2 questions. Usually there is not even 1 question, maximum 1 question. Polarization, they have asked 2 questions. Look at this question. This is a good question. This is also a very thoughtful question. Graphs, proportionalities, derivatives, calculus involved. Yep. You can see this is a direct question from NCERT. Look at the length of the question. Do you think you will be able to read the question in 20 seconds? Some people, some bhaiyas and didis, I should say, they make stupid videos saying, read the question within 20 seconds and you will be able to remember it, and direct question from NCERT within 1 minute you will be able to solve. How will you solve this question within 1 minute, you tell me? Not possible, guys. Look at the length of the questions. Look at this question. This is such a good level of question, guys. This is a very good question. Even this question, for that matter, look at the number of graphs. Look at the calculations involved. It's not at all straightforward. You take any question. You take any question. It is lengthy, big. This is units and dimensions question. Look at the variables involved in this. Look at alpha, A, beta, gamma, delta. Guys, are you seeing the level of this question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 variables. 5 variables. Usually units and dimensions has 3 variables. This has 5 variables. This is crazy. This question, my dear students, was asked, at least 80% of it was asked in JEE Advanced. Many years back, this was a question of JEE Advanced. In JEE Advanced, the question is, what should be the speed so that after, the string becomes slack, this ball will pass through the, hinge point O. That was the only change, but most of the question is same. At this point, the string is becoming slack. Till that point, JEE Advanced question, level of the question. Can you see that? Look at these questions, guys. Look at this again, units dimensions question. This is again a same kind of question which was asked in JEE Mains. Every single shift, this kind of question was asked. This is good paper, guys. Look at the level of the paper. Graphs, statements, length of the question. So, my point is very simple, my dear students. The NEET physics paper level has gone to JEE Mains. Why is it so tough? Last year what happened? Everybody was like, oh, the rank inflation. Sir, everybody is getting 700 marks. Oh, how is it possible they copied? We blamed the NTA. We blamed NTA. Everybody blamed NTA. NTA did not like it. It's like there is some student in the class. You tell that student, oh, sir, he's a cheater, sir, he's a cheater. Maybe he's a cheater, maybe he's not a cheater. You don't know. That student got pissed. The student got angry. And the student took revenge. Same thing NTA did. NTA took revenge. As simple as that. The answer to your why is NTA took revenge on all the NEET aspirants. Students who had taken 6 years drop, students who had taken 3 years drop, students who had paid so much money to coaching and who thought the paper will be easy. No, we were the ones always telling, please solve difficult paper. Don't depend on NCERT. Don't depend on this. And whenever I used to make videos taking difficult questions, very low views. Or students are like, sir, very difficult. I'm not able to, I don't want to do these difficult things. Students just gave up. I was so disheartened, guys, that why NEET students don't want to solve average or above average questions. So my dear students, if you are a NEET 2026 and NEET 2027 student, this is just a warning. This is just probably the first step. If still many students manage to score decent, NTA will make sure that the difficulty remains good only, even next year. And you will get a trailer of it in 2026 January when NTA sets the JEE Mains paper. But the real question is, are you going to wait till January 2026 to see what NTA does in JEE Mains and then decide, oh, I should prepare harder or, oh, I can just be lenient? No, right? We have to prepare from now. Physics can't be prepared at the last moment. Many students just keep studying biology, or maximum chemistry. Physics, oh, I just want to do the easy topics. Just tell me top 10 topics. Just tell me 100 topics which I should leave. Just tell me if it's NCERT enough. Sir, can I just do 5-year PYQs and can I get 100 marks? Sir, can I just, do NCERT important lines and get 80 marks? Guys, please, wake up. This is a wake-up call for all the NEET aspirants. And if you want this particular change to happen, then Shreyas sir will help you. Else, if you want the same trends to continue, then fine, guys. We have a lot of Bhaiya Didis who will keep making videos. Oh, solve this question within 20 seconds and make strategies which are not even real. Strategies which don't even make sense to the current NTA pattern. I am telling you, we need to think, we need to analyze, we need to properly plan, we need to sit, we need to make sure that you understand the concepts thoroughly, go beyond NCERT, go beyond PYQs, do the difficult ones. Looking at the question, you should be able to solve it, and J mains level is what the NEET level is. So, my dear students, if you are ready, then please let me know in the chat box or even in the comment section. By the way, yeah, some students are asking, Christina, sir, the DNA 2026 batch, and are you going to be there? Yes, I'm going to be partially there, but we have kept really good teachers this time. Also, we are going to be there along with the other amazing teachers who are going to help you crack the NEET 2026. So it's going to be a team effort out here, just like we did last year, and it is going to be even more better because now we need to level up our game, and physics is going to be your game changer, and physics will be taken care. Physics will be taken care, and you will crack it, my dear students, next year. If you feel disheartened, don't worry, take your moment, take your time. The NEET 2026 batch is live. The link is there in the description box. You can start checking it out, okay? I'll start the batch within a week or two. But enrollments have begun, okay? Don't worry, guys. I hope this year you will pass through if you're a NEET 2025 aspirant somehow. But if you don't, there is always another time, or there is some another option. We will make videos on whatever options are available for all of you. Have a complete, I would say, cool time or cooling down time if you're a 2025 aspirant, and if you're 2026, you better get working. Don't think of joining in November or December. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get quality content, so that you get detailed classes, so that you get difficult questions, so that you score 180 out of 180 in physics. Physics is no longer your weakness. Physics will be your strength. If that is what you believe in, let me know. No longer physics should be ignored, guys, for NEET students. Physics should be our strength, not the weakness. If you are with me, let me know quickly in the comment section. Thank you so much. This was Captain Shreyas.